Good afternoon, gentlemen. The topic for my today's lecturate is the privatization of the PSUs. So, gentlemen, let's get into the topic. Good afternoon, gentlemen. The topic for my today's lecturate is the privatization of the PSUs. So, gentlemen, let's get into the topic by a quick introduction as to what are the PSUs. The PSU or the public sector undertakings refer to the companies which are directly owned by the government. In PSUs, 51% of the total paid capital is owned by the central government or the state government, or partially by the central and the state government. So, gentlemen, let's come to the point as to why there was a need for the establishment of the PSUs. On the eve of independence, a majority of India was grappling with many socio-economic issues like lack of employment, lack of income, and also lack of proper skilled labor and lack of infrastructure. So there was a need of reform so as to bring some changes and to boost the economy and employment in our country. So this is the time when the PSUs came into force. Initially, the government was more confined towards core and strategic industries, but the government in the second phase began with the nationalization of the industries and taking over of sick units from the private sectors, and also taking the PSUs to new level by including the transportation, contracting and manufacturing customer goods also in the PSUs. And the Industrial Reform Resolution of 1948 explains the logic and the importance behind the importance of continuous and sustainable growth in the PSUs. And the main reason is that include the involvement of the state PSUs in the development of industries. Gentlemen, now let us know about what are the types of the PSUs. The PSUs or the public sector undertakings can be classified under the public sector enterprise, PSE, the central public sector enterprises, CPES, and also the public sector banks. So, gentlemen, now let's know what are the issues, some of the issues with the PSUs. There has been many issues with the PSUs which has pushed India towards its privatization. So like if we see in March 2018 and March 2019, more than 70 companies were in loss, and the loss amount rose to over 31,000 crore. And among the top companies, the top three companies were the Air India, the telecom companies like the BSNL and the MTNL in the year 2018 and 19. And also there is some corruption in the appointment of higher management posts in the PSUs, and this leads to a decline in the efficiency. That there is very much security over the employment, and this breeds inefficiency and also hampers the quality of the goods manufactured. Also in the PSUs we see that many skilled laborers are employed, and where they are not employed over the priority areas where there is a high need of attention. So these are some of the issues with the PSUs. And gentlemen, now let's know what is the need for privatization of the PSUs. Apart from the above stated factors, there are many other issues and there are many reasons which pull India towards the privatization of the PSUs. According to me, the public sector has come a long way and has acquired the will and capacity to compete at the world stage. And there are many advantages of privatization. Like we see that the privatization brings in more government finance, which can be used for development of the public sector, and also privatization. And also the privatization helps in the upgradation of technology, infrastructure and operational efficiency. It also reduces the public debt, which rises to improper management. Gentlemen, now let's conclude the lecturate by a fact that the privatization is a long lagging process. It is thought to be a precondition for proper growth and governance of the existing PSUs. But we cannot neglect the poor of a country. Before bringing any new policy, we must take care of the poor of the country, and we cannot ignore it for the welfare and the aspirations of the remaining middle and the higher classes of people. And also that any new policy should keep in mind the tremendous role that the PSUs have played and are still playing. So gentlemen, thank you for listening to my lecturate.